Hello guys, so in this question we will solve this integration by partial fraction method. So it is given in the question that we have to use partial fraction decomposition, but if it was not given in the question, then how we will determine whether we have to use this partial fraction method. So if the integration is of form that polynomial is there in numerator and polynomial is there in denominator, and if the power of numerator here, what is the power of numerator? It is 2, and power of denominator it is 3. If the power of numerator is less than power of denominator, then we will use the partial fraction method to solve that type of integration. So this is a type of integration, but here it is mentioned in the question, so we will use this. So first of all, we have to decompose this function in the form of linear or quadratic type. So let's write out like 2x square plus x minus 8 divided by, this is x cube plus 4x, so we will take out x common, so it will become x square plus 4. On the right hand side, if we will write a divided by x, bx plus c divided by this x square plus 4. Now if we will take LCM, so this LCM, so what will be the LCM of this? It will be x multiplied by x square plus 4, and here also this term remains same because we want to decompose this term, so it is x into x square plus 4. So on solving this a will multiply to x square plus 4, so it will become 4a, and this x will multiply to bx plus c square plus cx. So this whole term we can cancel out, this x will be also cancelled out. Now if we will equalize these terms, so the coefficient of x square should be equal. So x square coefficient here is a plus b and here is 2. So from first equation we can write a plus b is equal to 2. So now we have to match the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is c only, and here is the coefficient of x is 1, so c should be equal to 1. Now the constant term here is 4a only, and here is minus 8, so 4a is equal to minus 8. So from this equation we can find out the value of a. So 8 should be minus 2, c is equal to 1, and if we will put a is equal to minus 2 into this, so b will become 4. So now the function is decomposed. So we can write this function as integration of 2 minus 2 divided by x plus bx plus c. So b's value is 4x plus 1 divided by x square plus 4, this times dx. So by the property of distributive property of this integration, we can separate each fraction. So this fraction can also be broken down like 4x divided by x square plus 4 and 1 divided by x square plus 4. So we can break down this fraction as 4x divided by x square plus 4 integration dx plus 1 divided by x square plus 4 into dx. So now we can solve this integration separately. So to solve this middle integration, because here is the power of numerator is less than again denominator, then we can use partial fraction, but if we will substitute the denominator, then we can get the numerator easily. So to solve this middle one, what we will do, we have to substitute x square, sorry, we will write it in the right hand side, so that questions can be easily understood. So substitute x square, this x square plus 4 is equal to t. So what we will get here? We will get here 2x dx is equal to dt, but here what we have got 4x dx. So if we will multiply to both sides, so it will become 4x dx is equal to 2 dt, and this is the linear integration in denominator, so its value will be minus 2 ln mod x, and what we can write this integration as 2 dt divided by t, plus this is the formula for tan inverse x divided by 2, because here 4 can be written as 2 square, so x square plus a square integration will be tan inverse x by a, and 1 upon a in the front, plus c is the constant of integration. Now to solve this middle one, what we will do, this will be again will become plus 2 ln mod t plus 1 upon 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Now here the answer should be in the form of x, and t is the substituted value, so we will again resubstitute the value of t as x square plus 4, and we will solve the log also. So this 2 will be gone inside, so this will become minus ln x square, so mod will be removed because square itself is positive, and this will become ln, this will become t square. So what we can write it as x square plus 4 square plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. By the property of log a plus log b, it will be log a minus log b, because here is the minus sign, so it will be log a divided by b. So we can write it as ln x square plus 4 divided by x, and this whole term square, so 2 will be in the front, plus 1 by 2 tan inverse, this will be x divided by 2 plus c. So this is the final answer of the partial fraction decomposition of the integration. If you would like to ask such more doubts, then please do write in the comment box or visit my website. Thank you very much.